Hi, I'm Ian from Network Configurations, NetConfig, Managing Director and fellow KZN business owner. And as part of a business owner in the KZN community, we really were taken aback by the recent unrest and riots in KZN. Having witnessed the devastation firsthand ourselves, we've seen that there needs to be a continuous commitment to ensure that not only that we resolve the challenges that we have in our economy, but we can actually grow and actually build out stronger than we were before. We want to make sure and commit to our KZN community on helping them rectify and start to rebuild in a positive manner. One of the things that we are doing is focusing on helping organizations rebuild their IT correctly. We've created a relief package for organizations that have been directly impacted by this looting and rioting. So our commitment to KZN businesses who've been impacted by this looting and rioting is to provide them with 3 months free IT support along with an IT assessment to ensure that we do this right. So if you know any businesses that have been directly impacted or yourself and would like to reach out to us, give us a call. We are serious about giving you the support that you need in the times of crisis. Contact us at NetConfig, contact myself or our sales team, and we will gladly assist you with a free IT assessment and then put in plans to be able to get you operating as quickly as possible. Thank you for listening to this message. Please share far and wide and let us help rebuild the KZN market. Thank you so much.